Counterfeit securities are also bombs.
The centuries end, an age of reforms and capital. They forge money in every corner and shadow. Counterfeits found in every city and trade. Paper protection was fading, afraid, while artists drew the official state sign.
Where the Oka and Volga rush side by side, flow as one. A talent was born, knowing secrets of weaving and shuttle runs. He moved the lore of the thread to a roller of steel. Ivan Orlov, a rebel mechanic, a genius so real. I split the process in 100 parts,
Print all in one space,
in a single run, this idea's bold.
set in the page.
Cyrus printing a living way in the Orlov design, guarding the treasury with a pattern so fine.
He's in St. Petersburg. Officials and tycoons don't believe. The pros merely laugh.
Oh, drop it, engineer, leave.
One single pass,
A ridiculous case for us all. There will be dirt, and the ink spots will crawl.
but he powered the steel canvas.
The engine began.
The sheet came out.
Silence fell on the clan. Colors merged, super precise. Silent beauty took flight. Triumph of mechanics, machines at their heart.
Country, the ruble is safe under shield.
America gasped, Asia amazed by the field.
Berlin and London,
All conquered, all accept.
they bought up the patent, paid for the secret, kept